Alrighty, today I have here the Kisnt 75% wireless keyboard. This one is about $39 on Amazon, and it's an 85 key. Seems to be very popular lately. So let's pop this open and see what we have here. Keyboard itself looks like a little information booklet. Keycap and switch puller as well in the box. So they give us a nice little braided cable. Thankfully, it's USB-C. For the price, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw micro, but I'm glad to see that it's USB-C. Looks like we have a little bit of an off-white color. You have your configuration switches on the bottom between USB, Bluetooth, and 2.4 with the dongle, as well as Windows and Mac. We have dual adjustable feet. So you have 3 options just on the rubber there, first peg, and then the second foot. Let's flip it over. It has a nice retro look to it, and I'm quite fond of this aesthetic. There's the whole keyboard itself. So this is in comparison to my Kisnt K10, I believe. And it's pretty much almost like a 10 keyless. It is a 10 keyless. And we can see that it is pretty accurate. So this is a comparison to a Kisnt K10 with brown switches. And my Kisnt there is pretty well used after about 2 years now. So let's hear how this keyboard sounds. That is a very impressive sound from this keyboard out of the box. I mean, that is a very deep, thocky sound, as one would say. So let's see it power up real quick here. We'll turn it on Bluetooth with Windows. And the other impressive feature, it's RGB. For the price, that's quite amazing and unexpected. Now let's pop a keycap off so we can have a look at the switches. And I don't recall exactly which type of switches these are, but they are purple in color. As you can hear, quite well. Sounds quite well. Overall, for the price, I'm very impressed with the build quality. As you can hear, the housing is quite solid. Overall, I definitely would recommend this keyboard, barring any issues with connectivity, battery, and whatnot. But even so, I mean, as a wired keyboard for the price, the sound you're getting is very impressive.